guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl and this is Frankie. You just saw him in a very different video. That was a more fun food video. We're getting back on track with our meals and I wanted to share another Freshly review. We reviewed a couple of the Freshly items and we've since been ordering from Freshly and using them because so far we've liked them. We have some favorites and today we're going to review 2 new products before tomorrow, which you'll see in the same video. We kind of round out our top favorite Freshly products or meals. So today we're going to try the creamy chicken pasta and
chicken and dumplings with vegetable medley.
Our other video, but today we're going to review these. Can I help you, sir? The dog wants in on this video. But so here is the chicken and pasta. We're going to try both, obviously. That chicken and dumplings is looking good. And even like when we try some of our others where it was like the cauliflower bolognese, like they've pulled it off. So I'm curious about this potato. What is it? Dumplings?
Gnocchi.
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 Gnocchi? I don't know how to say it right.
Gnocchi. Somebody put it down below. But this came at a good time because this has been a busy week for me. I'm trying to do my 9-to-5 YouTube channel, which is check first a day, and social media posts, run my business page. We have a very needy husky. And you just got back from work and took a shower and it's about 8 p.m. now. And you know what? I didn't have to cook. Oh, and I had a therapy session. I didn't have to cook. So let's try these guys out. So far I have been loving Freshly when I don't have to cook. So let's see. The pasta tastes good. Ooh, I'm glad you chose this one. I like the flavors.
That gnocchi is gnarly.
Pasta with the pasta night gets a lift via lemon. Subtle accent to a rich and creamy herb sauce. It covers gluten-free brown rice, chopped chicken thighs, and garlic parmesan broccoli. Yo, this is a pretty good, like, healthier pasta. Okay. Dang, okay. We're gonna have to think about our favorites.
The chicken and dumplings is really good too.
Okay, dang.
It's got a lot of veggies.
Dang, it's gonna make it hard. That's potato?
Uh-huh.
Oh, dang, I'm glad we ordered these. Crap, it's gonna make it hard though.
Ooh, I taste the lemon come through on that pasta.
Oh, dang. The dumplings, the little potatoes.
This is brown rice pasta. I don't know how you make pasta out of rice, but it's good.
Right?
It's got broccoli too. Get your...
Damn, these are both good. Yeah.
Oh, both have chicken. Nice lean meat there.
But yeah, this is perfect. And also, I feel like they've stepped up their packaging a little bit too. Like they've done a couple good little things. I've been doing the like 4 meals plan. And then that way it's like just 2 days out of the week where I don't have to cook. And I mean, of course he could cook too, but he doesn't get home till 7 p.m. And by the time he gets home, it's like, I'm hungry. Like I want to eat when I want to eat. You know, you don't want to eat too late either. So it's kind of like, what can we do to save time? And honestly, I've been loving this is just like a nice little break. I was like, and it's 2 of us, so it's 4 meals, so it's 2 days. I don't have to cook. That's like an hour back. That's less gross. I didn't do grocery shopping actually last week because I was like, we're having these, and then we have some like stuff for like quick, easy meals.
Quick and easy, and then they taste good.
Taste good, and they're better for you because it's like, yeah, we could easily like pick up from like McDonald's or something, but this is definitely better. And for a lot of people who are like, oh my gosh, it doesn't have seasoning, or it's too small, I'm still hungry. I get it. We transitioned to this after keto, and that was honestly after learning actual real portions, better portions for you. And people just eat a lot. We can't eat like the way we used to eat. Like we even did that man versus fries review, and we had to share. Like I don't know how someone puts down that whole burrito.
No way.
Like no. It's like we got to enjoy something a little bit crazier, but we like split it. Like I feel like our portions have gotten better. And yes, the seasoning, healthy food isn't seasoned as heavy as not so good for you food. And some people are like, oh, these are actually just, what is it, like reheatable, like the dinner, like
the TV dinners.
The TV dinners, but the TV dinners have so much sodium, you know.
Yeah, no, and I mean it kind of looks like it in the packaging, but it's quick. You throw it in for 3 to 4 minutes, let it sit for like another 2, and you've got dinner. A good, healthy portion. I don't know why I use quotations. It's healthy. It's healthy, and it's not. You're not gonna feel like crap afterwards.
And you don't have to wash dishes after.
Yeah, straight
damn, they're both good. I don't know which one I like better. I know you're about to finish on my pasta over here.
No, not even. There's a good amount there.
But yeah, I didn't have time anything for today. This is how I did virtual remote work. I didn't even dress up. I was like, I don't have any meetings that I have to really see anybody. I didn't even wear a bra. I put on a bra for you guys. I was like, I guess I could put on a bra. That's how much little time I had. But I'm trying to incorporate quick, easy things I can do. I think I'm also going to add, what is it called? What's the delivery? Grocery deliveries? Instacart. I think I'm going to start incorporating that into my day. Anything I can do to get some time back in.
I was going to say Peapod.
Oh, yeah. That's old school. It's about that Instacart. Instacart and Freshly. And then what is it? The Premier Protein Shakes for a quick breakfast. Like not skipping meals, not skipping nutrients. Having it available so that you don't binge. And damn, Freshly's been doing it because we're looking for something new. And I don't know, it almost didn't seem as exciting. But the creamy and chicken pasta, if you're eyeing it, get this one, get the dumplings. For the dumplings, I was always like, yes, but you know, it's going to be a little bit healthier. So it's not exactly going to be chicken dumplings, but for healthier versions of these, that's pretty good. And you save so much time. Also, it's great if you don't know how to cook or don't care to learn how to cook. There you go. But I'm excited too because we actually really like the Freshly food, and Freshly decided to give me my own code. I was like, what? I actually just enjoyed it. So if you guys want to try Freshly yourself, you guys can use my code so you can get money off. I think it's like you get $40 off your next 2 meal purchases. So that's 20 and 20. So if you guys want to try it out, you can get, use my code, support me. If not, whatever. I hope you enjoy at least some of our recommendations. We're going to recommend our favorites. We're going to try 2 more. Actually, 2 more of the same ones tomorrow because that's how much we liked it. Because we haven't had that one on camera for you guys. And well, now I've got to think about what are my favorites because I thought I had them down, but I honestly didn't think I was going to be as impressed by these 2 as we are. So I shall sit on this tomorrow.
A lot of good stuff in here.
But yeah, I'm excited. And you don't feel that crap after. Honestly though, like this portion is good for both of these, no? These are like a pretty, I would say bigger, or like just in general, like a good one. Like I don't feel like, oh, where's the rest of my pasta? We're gonna finish up a dinner here. I don't know, what would you say about the chicken and dumplings and the creamy pasta? Yes, no, recommend?
Yeah, no, I like them both.
Right? I would recommend both of these 2.
I mean, the only thing is probably like this one, the chicken and dumplings is probably more like a wintry,
yeah, is that what they said?
Cozy.
Yeah, that's what they said for the creamy pasta too. But I was like, we're in Chicago. It's pretty cold. I'm cozy. I just got this thing on.
It is chilly today.
Yeah, so depending where you're at, it still works. I like my pasta. I like to be cozy. I don't care. I turn up the AC. Be extra cozy. But yeah, I recommend if you're wondering about these, add these to your list. Try it out. I like them. I think they impressed me more than I thought they would. Honestly, gotta say. I was like, it looks like it could be good, but you know it's gonna be healthier spin, so you never know. I approve. She's gonna switch it out on me. That's cool. I wanted some gnocchi. Some gluten-free goodness. Oh yeah, gluten-free. Alright. There's the chicken and dumplings is gluten-free. They're all always, I think, gluten-free. They try to stick to that. But yeah, they try to keep it gluten-free at least. I don't think they have keto friendly specific ones yet. You can kind of get around to it with some things, but little by little, hopefully they introduce that for anybody who does keto. But if you want some healthier options, ooh, I think Frankie just likes doing the mukbangs now. He just likes to eat with people.
I just like eating. Give me some good food.
Very good. I enjoy. Okay. We're going to finish up. We'll see you tomorrow for the other meal that we did not show you guys. That's my favorite. I can't wait. And we'll go over our top favorites. Maybe they'll be the same. Maybe they'll be a little bit different. But we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, welcome back. This is our second day of Freshly. We have 2 more meals that one of them you've seen before because I messed up. I thought I ordered 2 of the same, but it's a happy mistake because we love both. The one that you guys haven't seen us review, we actually tried after we did our last Freshly video, is the Swedish meatball. So these are the ground turkey Swedish meatballs with, is it cauliflower mash, right?
Not sure. They call it masterful mash.
With cream sauce and masterful mash. So Scandinavian classic and made with savor, thoughtful cream sauce, spice and spinach, beef and pork meatballs, and carb smart cauli and potato mash. So we have this one, and honestly, I'm going to give it away, but I was gonna order 2 of these because we loved it so much, and by accident, but we're still gonna share because we're like that old couple who shares. But I just didn't want to share my like Swedish meatballs, but that's fine. I guess we can do that today. And then the other one we have is the cauliflower shelf beef bolognese. So I think you guys seen us review this one. So I'm gonna let Frankie start off on this one, and then we'll both have it, but we'll go through maybe the description of the Swedish meatballs for you guys. If anything, I really like the mash for it too. Is it cauliflower and a potato mash? I believe
that's what you just read, I think.
Yeah. But let me get into these meatballs, and honestly, I was gonna be happy we both got our own, and it's got like some veggies too. But
it's a pasta bolognese for those of you who know what a bolognese is.
But and with cauliflower.
The pasta's made out of cauliflower. They got cauliflower mash, cauliflower rice now, and now apparently cauliflower pasta. Cauliflower pizza crust too, right?
Oh yeah, but the cauliflower pasta is legit.
Everything's coming up cauliflower.
Another day I don't have to cook. Super duper excited. Okay. Okay. You get 2 meatballs, I get 2 meatballs.
I can't believe that's cauliflower.
Right? I can't believe it's cauliflower. It's so good. I was almost like hesitant, but then it was really good.
It's got the exact texture and taste of regular pasta. How did they do it?
Right. Look, that's something I didn't try on keto, was like a cauliflower mash, but after this I was like, damn, I gotta try it. It's pretty legit. Like, cauliflower is like the new superfood, no?
This sauce is really good too for the bolognese. The meat sauce.
Yeah, nice cozy comfort foods. Do you want some meatballs? Very good.
The flavors are all there if you're worried about seasoning and all that stuff.
I feel like the more we've been doing Freshly, I feel like we've solidified our favorites and like our go-tos now, where I'm like, yes, like I was looking forward to these, first of all, these Swedish meatballs. Yesterday, I didn't know what to expect because those are 2 new ones, but now I'm like, okay, I could see myself craving it. What was I gonna say? While we eat, do you want to share our top 3 each? Because mine might be different than your top 3.
I think they're the same.
Are they? Okay.
I just can't pick from the ones yesterday. These 2 are definitely in my top 2.
Yeah, same.
In no particular order.
No, I have a particular order.
And then the ones from yesterday, the ones that we did yesterday, the chicken and dumplings and the chicken pasta, that's the one I'm going back and forth on the third. Both of those are really good.
Right?
Previously, we had, I think, like the country chicken.
The country chicken, yeah.
The country chicken and...
It was good. It was good.
Like a sausage penne pasta.
But these stand out.
And those were, again, everything I've had from Freshly I've liked. But these 2, these 2, and the ones from... Yesterday, the most recent ones.
Right? Because for sure, the Swedish meatballs is my number 1. Oh, now I'm torn. Let me try some of that cauliflower mash. Hold on, let me finish this last meatball. But then, honestly, before we tried...
Eat the veggies.
I am.
Eat the veggies.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta eat half those veggies.
Fine. I know. Eat your veggies. If not, Blaze will eat them. He's eyeing my veggies. Oh my god. Don't worry, I'll come back to it. How do you have veggies? I just gotta try this one so I can... I don't know what's gonna come number 2. I have to remember these flavors. Okay. Honestly,
that one is really good, man.
I know, but that's because you love pasta too. But yesterday's, what was it? The pasta... What was the pasta made out of? Was that also cauliflower? No, brown rice
Brown
pasta.
rice pasta, yes.
Brown rice pasta with the chicken and like the lemon, like Parmesan cheese. Honestly. And broccoli. And I ate all the broccoli. I like it kind of like, I like it mixed in with things, so I eat it because obviously I'm not going to just go like, let me get a lump of veggies in my, you know? So that got me to eat my veggies with no hesitations. So honestly, I think that one moved up to my second because it would have been the bolognese, but I think I crave that one a little bit more now. I still love the bolognese; they're hand in hand. But yeah, I'm gonna go Swedish meatballs. What was it called? The creamy chicken pasta. Swedish meatballs, creamy chicken pasta, and then the cauliflower bolognese. That creamy chicken pasta snuck up. It almost was not gonna be a thing. Honestly, before we even tried the last two from yesterday, it would have been Swedish meatballs, cauliflower bolognese, and I think I would have put the steak peppercorn in there.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
right?
that one.
That one was good, but I think the pastas maybe, just so we feel like we're having carbs.
I almost forgot about the steak. You can't go wrong with steak.
No, exactly. Oh, I had like a nice little sauce.
As long as it's not well done. Don't do that.
So wait, which one is it for you then?
What?
Because you were trying to decide between chicken and dumplings.
I'm not going to give a particular number because I enjoy them all. Those are my top 3. I'm not going to go 1, 2, 3, but those are
Which
my top
ones
3.
are the top 3 then?
This one, that one, and
The bolognese, meatballs,
yep.
and
then I think I really like the chicken and dumplings.
I know, I feel like that one was really good too, but I think I still...
With the potato gnocchi? How do you say it? Somebody tell us. I don't know.
I think for me, if you struggle to eat your veggies like me, go for the creamy chicken pasta. I still ate the veggies for the dumplings, but you know, I try to give you more. Yep. But yeah, so those are some of our Freshly favorites. Comment down below if you've tried Freshly. What are your favorites that we have not tried? I will also link down below our previous Freshly videos just so you can kind of see the reviews on the other ones that maybe didn't specifically make our favorites, but let me know what other ones we need to try. They always, I feel like, sprinkle in some new ones here and there, which I'm glad. Like I was almost gonna stick to our usuals, but I'm glad we tried those next two. I'm glad you pointed out the chicken and dumplings because now we have some more favorites. And if you are interested in trying out Freshly yourself, because hopefully our reviews and our favorites have kind of helped you decide a little bit, don't forget to use my code so you can save some money and we can buy some more Freshly too. But I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Let me know if you want to see some more Freshly videos, see us try out some more Freshly favorites, some more, you know, reviews on Freshly, and we will see you all next time.
I'm gonna finish this.
Okay.